Today we will show you the various fastening parts we have in our program.
Check our installation catalog for an overview. To start, we present our spacer system, ClipFix or ClassicFix. This means we have options that can be added later or the classic ones. This is ClassicFix. It goes over the line first. What is this for? It serves as damping, spacing, and abrasion protection. There are countless applications. As mentioned, the biggest highlight is that you can install something and only later realize, oh, here is an abrasion point, and then you can add something around it. It comes as a set, or as you can see here, in a specific size. You can also connect two together, allowing for larger builds. This means you have great flexibility.
Naturally, we also offer hose clamps for securing hoses of pipes available in various dimensions and sizes. You can find a detailed overview in our installation catalog.
Here we present our tension bands. They are available as meter goods, as you see here, or as a complete set with adapters for fastening and the tension band. What do you need here? Quite simple, just a side cutter and a screwdriver. You can cut directly and tighten it with the screwdriver.
Now let's talk about our clamp rings or spring clamp rings. We have them in our range, looking at the various diameters. Behind the stove and bus item numbers, the OE numbers are also provided. If you install hoses, pipes, or lightweight plastic pipes, you get an optimal connection, and they are also available individually in various diameters.
Now we present our program in the area of blind rivets, called generic. You can find this under clips, as we refer to it in the workshop. Here we have various assortments. There's a lot more. These assortments are linked to the manufacturer. It's important for you to know that we always provide OE references. If you've selected parts link clips, you can simply enter the OE numbers here. Then you'll only get a portion, available as a refill pack or, if you need, just the clips in a bag. Different sizes, different shapes, large, round, small, thick, thin. We have everything you need in our program.
Now we come to the clips that are most commonly used or needed, specifically for the interior trim. We all know the problem, door trim off. The clips, some of them always break. Here we have a large selection. This is a set for one vehicle. You can easily find the perfect one for your car, as these options are designed for specific vehicles.
We also have repair kits for main headlights in our program. Again, these are vehicle specific. Here it's nicely displayed on our board. However, it comes in a package, in a bag, making it easy for you to access.
Just like I have it here for the main headlights, I also have it for the window lifters. With window lifters, the issue isn't always the motor. Often, it's the plastic components that break. Also, vehicle-specific and model-specific, and importantly, you'll find the user manual and installation instructions included in the package. Now you know all about our fastening parts.
You can find everything else you need to know in the description text and in our installation catalog.
And to never miss a video, subscribe to our channel.